Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. Today we just have a quick unboxing video. Just gonna get right into it. And here is the box, as you guys can see, coming in from Nike. Hit these on a restock on Nike. As you guys can see, these are a very small box, but they're not men's sizes. Well, these were women's release. This is the Snakeskin Jordan 1, the Satin Snakeskin Jordan 1. Didn't hit any women's sizes, unfortunately, but still, I ended up hitting on one of the Toddler pairs, the really small ones. Yeah, the Toddler pairs. I could have got one of the preschool pairs too, but I decided not to. But I did get this preschool pair right here. I'm trying to open, but it's not really working too well. There we go. But go ahead, close the knife, set that over there. Go ahead, open the box. Open the box, open the box, open the box, and there it is. We got a little tiny Air Jordan 1 box. This is the Jordan 1 Toddler. Retail was $60. It was like $62, like 80 cents out of tax. I got size 10C, and I really like these red, like the reverse Nike block boxes. I think they're pretty cool. The first time having one, but go ahead, crack this open, see what we got in here. I've seen the adult or the women's sizes in person. I haven't seen the kid sizes in person though. And yep, they're what I expected. Small, very small. And go ahead, take these out of the box, and here they are. And you can definitely feel the difference in material. Not really a difference in material, but how like squishy they are compared to bigger sizes. But and flip them around and drop in the shoe. Here they are. The Satin Snakeskin Jordan 1's Toddler edition over here. This colorway is really fire though. I really like the red, and the satin on the tongue is really cool, and then the snakeskin on the back as well. I would have loved to hit on a bigger size in these, but no luck. But I at least got one of these little kid ones. But if I sell them, I sell them. If not, I'm only out $62, so I'm not really too worried about it. But and they're not really going for much anyway, but it's still cool. Like, if I don't sell it, just like have them in my room, because why not? Wait until I have a kid or something. But Toddler Satin Snakeskin Jordan 1s, give them up close right there. Get a quick like up close thumbnail because of how small these things are. There it is right there. And anyway, guys, that is it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Check my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, resale page, FIZZ Kicks, clothing brand FIZZ New York. And I'll see you guys on the next video. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below, did you guys manage to cop the Satin Snakeskin Jordan 1s, women's? I got the preschool pair right here. And that's it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. See you next video. Peace.